Alright, we're loading up the motor to go to the machine shop. And I'm not awake. Austin is here from Stay Tuned Auto Works. He is in the middle of wrapping. Oh, there we go. He's in the middle of wrapping my car, rewrapping the roof, and then we're redoing the side vinyl. Other than that, not too much going on today. He's gonna get my bumper done, and hopefully by the time we get back, maybe the car looks like it's in one piece again. Over here, we're just trying to figure out the best way to get this motor and to that tire so that we can hit the road. Alrighty, we are making a quick little fuel stop. Travis ran in to go grab some drinks. And where are we heading to?
The machine shop.
Which machine shop?
Accelerated Performance.
That's in Toledo?
Toledo, yep.
Yeah. So, apparently this guy holds the record for the fastest 2J. There's a bunch of other information. Huh?
It's it was the world's fastest quarter mile. Mark IV Supra, I believe.
Yeah. So, he definitely knows his way in and out of the block pretty well. So, we'll pick up when we get there. So we're just now leaving the machine shop, Accelerated Performance. I didn't want to shoot too much in there. They've got a little bit of some work that they don't want filmed. I did ask. You're good after this Jeep.
Where are we going, dude?
You're gonna go back out that way. We good. But we'll get Travis's reaction here. What are your thoughts?
Been happier.
Yeah.
So the block has to go 20 over. New pistons, new rods. The crank.
Take it right.
The crank is borderline trash, even after a polish. It's scarred pretty good. So it needs a crank, needs an oil pump, definitely, because it had trash going through it. It needs a water pump, but I'm not even sure if the block's even good yet for what I'm trying to do with it. It's got to go 20 over, and then he's going to inspect the pitting from there because of the rust. Then after that, got to source a crank, because I'm not putting a borderline bad crank in it, even though it'll work. For reliability's sake, I'm not going to do that. So, need a crank. The head will look good. It just needs refurbished. No horrible damage to it. But that's still a decent chunk of money for the block and everything, assuming the block's even going to work for what I want it to. So, that's that. Alright, so the update on the 2J is it's still broken. It's still an anchor. It was being hot tanked right now. They decked it, bored it, honed it, everything. Should be getting that back here soon on like the 19th. And then we need to save for internals and take the head to the machine shop. We found a crank for it, freshly cut 10 under. Already checked for trueness, and it's extremely healthy crank, pretty inexpensive, so we're gonna snag that and then be ready to put the engine back together.